Section 179, baby, a whole lot of other stuff, HOA, REITs. That was a lot of information, even for me. Tomorrow we're gonna move into recruiting, training, and retaining million-dollar producers, which gets into a lot of SOPs, KPIs, accountability, not fun stuff, but stuff you gotta do as a leader to build a team. Tonight we're having a little fun, that's what we do, because we will learn how to make money together. We also wanna have fun together. That's the kind of people I wanna hang out with. How about you guys? Bringing a booyah, baby? Booyah, baby!